This video is about everyone deserves a good manager. The role of great managers is pivotal within an organization, as they are entrusted with the responsibility of maintaining and optimizing the available resources. They skillfully manage the workforce, ensuring tasks are executed efficiently while nurturing positive relationships with company clients. The author's journey of transformation from an inexperienced and authoritarian leader to a mature and successful manager is an inspiring one. The story unfolds during the author's initial leadership role at the Covey Leadership Center. It was a period of struggle, characterized by attempts to motivate. Driven by their experiences, the author and co-authors, Todd and Victoria, embarked on a mission to share their insights. These insights, combined with Franklin Covey's extensive research, culminated in the creation of this book. Their goal was to provide practical guidance, tools, and strategies to give you the confidence and competence you need to meet the inevitable challenges of managing. Franklin Covey has shrunk the bewildering world of first-level leadership down to the 6 most critical practices for leading a team. Practice 1. Develop a leader's mindset. Practice 2. Hold regular one-on. Practice 3. Set up your team to get results. Practice 4. Create a culture of feedback. Practice 5. Lead your team through change. Practice 6. Manage your time and energy. These practices have been field-tested by thousands of actual leaders working with real teams. In Practice 1, Develop a leader's mindset, the author explores the influence of early beliefs and paradigms on leadership. Raised with the idea that certain individuals are always truthful and right, the author later discovered the complexities of human nature. This paradigm influences leadership perceptions and biases. As leaders, it's essential to assess and adapt our paradigms to reflect reality. Self-awareness and challenging our beliefs about leadership, teams, and ourselves are crucial for effective leadership. Acknowledging that leaders, like everyone else, make mistakes is the first step towards embracing a more realistic and compassionate leader's mindset. The practice 2 is hold regular one-on-ones. A superstar project manager, Joanna, excelled in leading a remote team of junior project managers. Despite her strong performance, she decided to leave the company. Joanna's departure was due to feeling disconnected from her team and uninspired during one-on-one meetings with her manager. Her manager's focus solely on project details left her undervalued. Despite efforts to address the issue, no significant progress was made. Joanna ultimately switched to a team led by a new leader who prioritized individual interactions, asked questions, and valued employees as whole individuals. This shift emphasized the importance of leaders who engage, listen, and foster collaboration, particularly with remote team members. Practice 3 is set up your team to get results. During my tenure at an esteemed Parisian luxury hotel known for its exceptional customer service, a peculiar pattern unfolded during VIP visits. The skilled staff meticulously set the dining tables, drawing from their years of experience. However, a sequence of managerial interventions ensued. First, the supervisor inspected and adjusted a champagne flute. Shortly after, the assistant manager arrived to refold a linen napkin. In a perplexing conclusion, the general manager descended from his top-floor office to rearrange the centerpiece. This cycle led to staff members relinquishing their pursuit of perfection, as they anticipated management's inevitable adjustments. Unintentionally, the hotel's leaders undermined their long-term success, fostering indifference and resentment among the team. With scant motivation to contribute their creativity and expertise, when management consistently overrode their efforts, the organization's potential was hindered. Practice 4 is create a culture of feedback. In college, I excelled as a waiter with a system for lightning fast service, impressing customers and earning generous tips. However, my efficiency left chaos in the kitchen. When a friend became our manager, he delivered straightforward feedback via an index card. While I initially resisted, I now appreciate the importance of constructive criticism. Dr. Stephen R. Covey emphasized the value of providing feedback, even when it's uncomfortable. As a leader, it's essential to master this skill, delivering actionable and specific feedback. Building this skill takes practice, but it's vital for effective leadership. Leaders must be willing to step out of their comfort zones to provide valuable feedback. Practice 5 is lead your team through change. Great leaders embrace and lead change, even when it's not their idea. Paul, a first-level leader, excels by seeking understanding and influence. He openly discussed concerns about a new process with the CEO, resulting in a better grasp of the why and his rise to a senior executive position. Practice 6 is manage your time and energy. Acknowledging his past neglect of valuing personal and team time, Scott emphasizes the newfound importance of managing time and energy. Victoria, an expert in this practice, leads by example and coaches her team to follow suit. She balances her leadership role with wellness practices, including being a yoga instructor and running coach. The common mindset, "I am too busy to take time for myself," shifts to the effective mindset, "I must manage my time and energy to be an effective leader." This content expands upon Franklin Covey's leadership solution, the 6 critical practices for leading a team, now adopted by thousands of companies, governments, nonprofits, school systems, and universities around the world. It's a practical guide designed to instill confidence and competence in first-level leaders who must navigate the challenges of managing. The practices address a wide range of skills and techniques essential for leading a team effectively. Now, let's talk about value of the book. The book's value lies in facilitating the most significant career transition of an individual's life, from a high-performing individual contributor to an effective leader. The practices within the book help individuals make this mental leap to leadership without compromising the qualities that made them successful contributors. The actionable practices can be applied immediately regardless of the team's size. Decades of research and leader interviews have been distilled into practices that yield the greatest results for first-level leaders. The overall conclusion is on raising the fundamental question: do you want to be a great leader? Or do you want your team to be led by a great leader? This question leads to a profound discussion about leadership. This presentation is just the beginning. Your contributions and collaboration will play a vital role in advancing our understanding of this topic. Thank you for your attention.